Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. देखेंगे कन्वर्शन ऑफ NFA टू DFA. NFA से DFA में कैसे कन्वर्ट किया जाता है, अब हम लोग वो देखेंगे. इजी है. एक चीज़ है कि NFA इजी है, इसलिए गेट में कभी पूछता नहीं है NFA बनाना. NFA बनाना कभी नहीं पूछेगा गेट में, आज तक कभी नहीं पूछा है. ठीक है. ओनली वी आर हैविंग यूज दैट व्हेन वी for some DFA we face difficulties to construct. That's why we construct NFA, then we convert. तो जब कुछ क्वेश्चंस नहीं बन पाएंगे, आप NFA बनाइए, फिर NFA को कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए. देखिए अब आप कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सिग्मा आपका A, B है. सो L1 में लेता हूँ सेट ऑफ ऑल स्ट्रिंग्स starts with A. Set of all string starts with A. So starts with A बना दिए हमने. अगर कुछ भी आया, this is our NFA. And see, we can convert every NFA into DFA. Okay. And there is a one term power. In case of POC. एक term है power. That will let you know that which is more powerful machine, whether NFA is more powerful or DFA is more powerful. And if you are able to convert every NFA to DFA, then you can say that both are equivalent. Means if you are having two machines, let us assume you are having machine A and machine B. If you can convert A to B and B to A, then both are equivalent. The main thing power means if you are having two machines A and B, whatever work A can do, if that is even done by B, then you can say that both are equivalent. But if there is some, in case of this, if there is some language L1, it is accepted by A, but it is not accepted by B. Okay, not accepted by B, then L1 is more powerful. Okay, so because here we talk about in terms of a language. So when we can say that two languages are more powerful, if a language A, if a machine A is accepting more language than machine B, then we can say that A is more powerful. But in case of NFA and DFA, both are equivalent in power, because we can convert every NFA into DFA because we are having a procedure. So for a language, if we can give a NFA, then for that language also we can give a DFA. Okay. So that I will give you in the note. I will write it later. So this is the machine. Now you can construct the transition table. So Q0, it was Q0 maybe. Yeah, Q0 by getting a where it is going, Q2, Q1. Q0 by getting A, it's going QF, and by getting B, it's going to date configuration. See, this is called as even date configuration. Okay, this is called as date configuration. And on Q1 by getting AB, it's going to Q1 only. When we convert NFA to DFA, when we convert NFA to DFA, then we convert date configuration into date state get states. When we convert NFA to DFA, जब हम NFA से DFA में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हम लोग डेट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को डेट स्टेट में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये डेट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन DFA में डेट स्टेट बन जाएगा, ओके। तो अब कैसे हम इसमें कन्वर्ट करते हैं, इसका प्रोसीड्यूर क्या कहता है कि आप इनिशियल स्टेट से स्टार्ट कीजिए, स्टार्ट विथ इनिशियल स्टेट एंड रीच ऑल दी स्टेट्स विच आर रीचेबल फ्रॉम द इनपुट। इनिशियल स्टेट से स्टार्ट कीजिए और जो जो स्टेट में ये पहुंच रहा है आप वहां पहुंचिए। स्टार्ट विद द इनिशियल स्टेट एंड रीच ऑल द स्टेट्स विच आर रीचेबल फ्रॉम द इनपुट। एंड नाउ फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड इफ देयर इज एनी स्टेट which is new, then to that state you need to give the transition. कोई नया स्टेट हमें राइट साइड में मिल रहा है तो उसका हमको ट्रांजिशन देना पड़ेगा। स्टेट मीन्स ट्रैप स्टेट, that state means trap state, and date configuration means nothing. वेरी गुड। यहाँ हम लोग कुछ देते नहीं है ना, लेकिन इसको DFA में हम कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें डेट स्टेट या ट्रैप स्टेट देना पड़ता है, ठीक है। तो देखिए कन्वर्ट कैसे करेंगे, हाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट। वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इनिशियल स्टेट। इनिशियल स्टेट इज आवर Q0, ओके, एंड बाय गेटिंग A it's going Q1, and by getting B it's going to date state, because that is our date configuration, it will convert into date state. Now the state which you got in right hand side, if you haven't given the transition to that state, you have to give the transition in left hand side. Now for Q1 you have to give, now Q1 by getting A it should go to Q1, because going to Q1, getting B it's going to Q1 only. Now for D also you have to, since it is date state, by getting A or B it will remain in same state. So this is you are going to get in a minimal DFA, and the state which is going to contain the final state of NFA are going to be the final state in DFA, okay. So since Q1 was the final state, these are the one state, okay. In future you will get some state which is having a combination of two states. With examples it will be, since this is a easy example, okay. So what is the procedure, you please write. What is the procedure you write? When we convert, what is the procedure? Start with initial state and reach all these states which are reachable. This transition table is for the previous one. This is the DFA, Pooja. We have converted this NFA into DFA. This was the NFA. We have converted this. NFA into DFA. How to convert? We will start from the initial state and we will see that what state it is reachable. So Q0 by getting it is going Q1, by getting B it's going to date configuration. Now, okay, so that configuration will get replaced by date state, date configuration replaced by date state. Now whatever state you will get in the right hand side, for that you have to give the transition. Q1 you got new state, you have to give the transition. Q1 by getting it is going to Q1, by getting it is going to Q1. Now this is the new state, you haven't given the transition, so for D also we have given the transition. So this is the procedure, that start with initial state and reach all the state which are reachable from the input, which are reachable from the input, start with initial state and reach all the states which are reachable from the input, and then for every state which is reachable, from the input, we consider only we consider only that state and try to fill the row, otherwise ignore it. Otherwise we will not consider. We will not consider. If it is done, then please let me know the procedure I have written. Start with initial state and reach all the states which are reachable from the input, and then for every state which is reachable from the input, we consider only that state and try to fill the row. Otherwise we will not consider it. The power of DFA and NFA are same. Both are having same power, because we can convert every NFA, to DFA, and every DFA is also a do the conversion, ends with a sigma is your same a comma b, construct a NFA, then convert into DFA. Now we are going to do only the conversion. Okay, ends with a by getting a accepted. Before this we can have any combination of a comma b. This is our q0, this is our q1, and now onward I will not write the procedure. Okay, so delta q0 initial, q1 a, ab, q0 by getting a, it's going to both q0 q1, q0 by getting b, it's going to q0 only, q1 by getting a, it's going to date configuration, on getting b, it's going to date configuration. Now we have to convert it into DFA. So the method that we are using is called as by using subset configuration. Okay, it's called as subset configuration. How to do? This is our state. By getting A, it should go to Q0 Q1. Now by getting B, it should go to Q0. Now Q1. Now see, there is no Q1. You have to see from right hand side, whatever state is there. Now Q0 Q1 is one state. Okay, so for Q0 Q1 you have to give the transition. Q0 Q1 by getting A, where it is going. See, Q0 by getting it is going Q0 Q1. Q1 by getting it is going to date configuration, means nothing. You take these two states on A and do the union of these two. So you are going to go Q0 Q1 only. Q0 Q1. On getting B, Q0 Q1, do the union of these two. You are going to get Q0 only. So this is the state you are going to get. And the state which is going to contain the, see here the final state is Q1. So the state which will contain the final state of NFA is going to be the final state. So Q0 Q1 is going to be the final state. Next, second symbol from RHS is A. Second symbol from right hand side is A. For that you have to construct a NFA, then you have to construct a DFA. Second symbol from right hand side is A. You got A. You are assuming that this is the second symbol. Then last symbol can be either A and B, accepted. Now after that it can have any combination of A comma B, be there. Now see, to these questions it will be easy for us to construct. So it will be, I am making as Q0, giving the name Q0 Q1 QF. So it will be Q0 on gating A, it's going to Q0 and Q1. On gating B, it will go to Q0 only. Now Q1 on gating A, it's going to QF, and Q1 on gating B, it's going to QF. QF on gating A and B, it's going to date configuration. Okay. Now Q0 on gating A, it's going to Q0 Q1. On gating B, it's going to Q0. Now this is one state, and the state which will got in the right hand side, only that state you are going to consider. Now Q0 Q1 is one state. Q0 Q1. Q0 Q1 by gating A, it will go to Q0 Q1 QF. Q0 Q1 QF. Gating B, it will go to Q0 Q. Now Q0 QF for this is one state. Q0 QF. So Q0 here QF. QF is going to date configuration. So it will be same as Q0. Okay, because no state it is going, so it will be Q0 Q1, then here it will be Q0. Here it will be Q0 Q1. Here it is Q0. It is your Q0 Q1, okay? Q0 Q1. So now Q0 QF done. Now we have to do for, so which Q0 Q1 QF. Q0 Q1. So take the union of all these three, because all these three is here. So it will be Q0 will be Q0 Q0 Q1 Q2 भी सर Q2 तो है ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. अच्छा Q2 तो है ही नहीं, मैंने Q2 लिखा ही नहीं है. Q0 Q1 QF लिखा है मैंने. अब देखिए क्या होगा. So it will be Q0 Q1 QF. Here it will be Q0. हमने कन्वर्ट किया तो फाइनल स्टेट क्या होगा. QF यहाँ है फाइनल स्टेट, तो जो स्टेट QF को कंटेन कर रहा है वो फाइनल स्टेट हो जाएंगे. ओके. सो ये आपका मिनिमल DFA आपको मिल गया. सॉरी, नॉट मिनिमल DFA, it is your DFA. Okay, it may or may not be minimal. Okay, when you convert a NFA to DFA, the number of final state may increase, right? When we convert a NFA to DFA, the number of final state may increase when we convert a NFA into DFA, then in worst case we require 2 to the power n number of states worst case means maximum number of states, algorithm का है worst case. We require to the n number of states and minimum one state. जब आप कन्वर्ट करेंगे NFA, जिसमें NFA having n स्टेट, NFA में n स्टेट्स है, तो नंबर ऑफ फाइनल स्टेट में इंक्रीज ये हो गया। ये दूसरा पॉइंट है, व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट NFA हैविंग n स्टेट इनटू DFA, देन इन वर्स्ट केस वी रिक्वायर 2 to the power n नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स, 2 to the power n, n है n, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स एंड मिनिमम 1 स्टेट। तो जब आपके पास एक NFA है, अगर आपके पास NFA है, एक NFA के अंदर n स्टेट है, जब उसको आप कन्वर्ट करेंगे DFA में, तो मैक्सिमम स्टेट्स आपको कन्वर्ट करने के बाद आपको 2 to the power n मिल सकता है और मिनिमम आपको 1 मिल सकता है। और ये आपका गेट का क्वेश्चन है, गेट प्रीवियस ईयर, और 3 बार ये पूछ चुका है, 3 times they have asked. You are having NFA having n state, when you convert into DFA, then you require maximum number of states is 2 to the power n. Maximum you will get 2 to the power number of states, minimum 1. Okay, is it fine? देखिए NFA का अगर आपके पास एक NFA में अगर n स्टेट है, जब उसको DFA में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, DFA में जब कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा तो मैक्सिमम स्टेट आपको 2 to the power n मिलेगा, मिनिमम 1 मिलेगा। बस यही है, ये आपको याद रखना है, क्योंकि इससे गेट के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। मिनिमम आपको 1 क्यों मिलेगा? जब आपको कुछ मिला, आप मिनिमाइज किए, तो कम से कम एक स्टेट्स तो होगा ही, ठीक है। और 2 to the power n क्यों? क्योंकि डेल्टा अगर आप इसका देखेंगे NFA का, वो बोलता है Q क्रॉस सिग्मा गोज टू 2 to the power Q। इसी से ये पता, ये फंक्शन यही बताता है कि जब आप NFA को DFA में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 2 to the power n स्टेट लगेगा। ये डेल्टा ये भी बताता है। ट्राई दिस थर्ड सिंबल फ्रॉम RHS is a third symbol from right hand side is a, सो इसको पहले हम लोग NFA बनाएंगे, फिर इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे DFA में, ठीक है। हम लोग डायरेक्टली भी बनाए थे, लेकिन बहुत समय डायरेक्टली नहीं बनता, इसे एज्यूम कर लिए 8 स्टेट। हाँ ठीक है, पहले से कर चुके हैं, 8 स्टेट ही लगेगा, करेक्ट। सो नाम दे देते हैं इसका Q0, Q1, Q2, Q4, ठीक है। देख लीजिए, हो गया ना। नाउ वी विल गिव 4 state in NFA, 8 state in DFA, correct. So now write the transition table. So I have taken Q0, Q1. What I have taken? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2, and QF. So input here is AB. Q0 by getting it is going to Q0 and Q1. Q0 by getting it is going Q0, Q1. Q0 by getting B, it's going to Q0 only. Q1 by getting it is going to Q2. By getting B going to Q2. Q2 by getting A, it's going to Q3. Q3 है ना, Q2 A QF है, so it will be QF, QF by getting A and B, it's going to date configuration. Now we will convert. क्या हो गया? So by using subset configuration, we are going to convert A, B. So Q0 is going to here. इसको मैं थोड़ा छोटा कर दूँ। So Q0 by getting it is going to Q0, Q1. By getting B, where it will go? Q0. Now Q0, Q1 we will take Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1 by getting it will go Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2. By getting B, it will go to Q0, Q2. Q0, Q0, Q1 we have done. Then we have to do for Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2. By getting it will go to Q0, Q1, QF. Q0, Q1, QF. By getting B, it will go to Q0, QF. Gating B, it will go to Q0 Q0 Q2 done, then Q0 QF. Q0 QF by gating A, it will go to Q0 Q1, and by gating B, it will go to Q0. Q0 QF done, Q0 Q2 done, Q0 Q1 we have done. Now we will do for Q0 Q1, Q0 Q1 Q2. Q0 Q1 Q2 is there. Do the union of all this, you will get Q0 Q1 Q2 QF. Here you will get Q0 Q2 Q0 Q2 QF. Now for Q0 Q1 Q0 Q1 QF, Q0 Q1 QF you will get the union Q0 Q1 Q2, 0 1 F you will get Q0 Q1 Q2, Q0 Q1 QF you will get Q0 Q2, you will get Q0 Q2. Now Q0 Q1 if done, then Q0 Q2 QF try, Q0 Q2 QF. See, there is one shortcut if you will use. See, Q0 Q2 is there and Q0 QF is there. If you do the union of these two, you are going to get Q0 Q2 QF, that is here. So do the union of these two, you are going to get Q0 Q1 QF, and here you are going to get Q0 QF, 0 QF. Similarly, last you are going to, for that you have to construct, that is Q0 Q1 Q2 QF. For this also, so I will take on Q0, what was that? Q0 Q1 Q2 QF. So by gating A, where it will go? It will take the union of all this, so you will get Q0 Q1 Q2 QF, and by gating B, where it will go? 0 to F, 0 to F. Now all these states you have given the transition, 0 1 F you have given, then 0 2 F you have given, 0 1 2 you have given, 0 1 F you have given, this also you have given this. So the state which is containing the final state QF, so wherever there is QF you have to give the make it as a final state. You have to make this as also as a final state. In case of QF, take the union of all this, you are going to get this. Am I clear? So conversion हमने देख लिया, NFA से DFA में कैसे convert करते हैं. Now construct a set of all string of length 2, set of all string of length. You have to construct a by getting a comma b, there by getting a comma b, length 2 greater than 2, NFA बना रहे हैं हम लोग. Smaller than equal to 2, epsilon accepted, a comma b accepted, a comma b, length 0 1. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमें हमेशा n+1 3 स्टेट्स ही लगा है, 3 स्टेट्स ही लगा है. इसमें भी 2+1, इसमें भी 2+1, इसमें भी 2+1 ही लगा है हमें, जब इक्वल टू 2 है. बट हमें DFA में +2 लगा था. ठीक है. तो जब भी गेट एग्जाम में आपसे पूछा जाए इन केस ऑफ FA द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टेट, तो यू शुड गिव फॉर द NFA. ठीक है, या 3 स्टेट्स लग रहा है. So if in exam NFA always require less state compared to DFA. अगर FA में minimum number of states पूछे तो आप NFA का दीजिए. If in exam you write, if in exam they ask for minimum number of states in exam they ask for minimum number of states in FA, then we should always give the where it is, we should always give the answer, for NFA, because number of states in NFA is always less than or equal to DFA. Okay. So if in exam they ask for minimum number of states in FA के बारे पूछे minimum number of states, because DFA NFA दोनों ही तो FA है, तो FA के बारे पूछे तो आप FA के बारे जब भी पूछे तो आप NFA का minimum number of states दीजिए. Then we should always give the answer for NFA because number of states in NFA is always less than or equal to DFA. ठीक है, तो आपका NFA कंप्लीट हो गया, कन्वर्शन कंप्लीट हो गया.